Namaste to another present here. Today we are going to see the fifth solution. Already we completed 4 sums. Now the fifth question is, let A, B, C is the subset of n and a function f such that A gives B be defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and G such that B gives C be defined by g of x equal to x square. Find the range of f composition of G and G composition of f. Take f of x, the given f of x value is 2x plus 1 and g of x value is given x square. Let us find the value of f composition of G. Now f into g of x. f into g of x value is x square. We have to substitute in f. So x place we have to replace x square. So the answer is 2x square plus 1 is the value of f composition of G. Now write the range of the function. Range is equal to, we have to take this value as y. So y such that y is equal to 2x square plus 1. Then x is the element of natural number. Let us find graph of the function, that is g composition of f. G into f. f value is 2x plus 1. Substitute in g. G value is x square. So we have 2x plus 1 whole square. Now the range of g composition of f is equal to y such that y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square. X is the element of natural number. Let us see the fifth one. Let f of x equal to x square minus 1. Find f composition of f, and the second one is f composition of f. Again the composition of f. Solution. Take given value f of x equal to x square minus 1. Take for substitution f composition of f, that is f into f of x. Now substitute the value of f of x square minus 1. Again you want to substitute in f value. So f value is x square minus 1 whole square minus 1. So it look like a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a value is x square whole square plus b value is 1 square minus 2ab minus 1. 2 2s are 4, x power 4, 1 square 1, 2 into x square 2x square minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We have x power 4 minus 2x square is the value of f composition of f. Now substitute in the second one, f composition of f composition of f. So we have to take f composition of f. So already we found the value of f composition of f. So the value is x power 4 minus 2x square. So in this value we have to substitute in f of x. So x place we have to substitute the value. X place x power 4 minus 2x square whole square minus 1. That's all. Eighth one. Given f of x is equal to x minus 1, g of x equal to 3x plus 1, h of x equal to x square, we want to show that f composition of g composition of h is equal to the f composition of g composition of h. So already we saw f composition of g. In this case we have three functions, that is f, g and h. Let us take LHS. So we have to solve first within bracket value, that is f composition of g. So f into g of x. Now f into g of x value is 3x plus 1. Now substitute in f. F value is x minus 1. So x value is 3x plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 0. We have 3x. That is f composition of g value. Let us take the question for LHS. F composition of G, composition of F, H. F composition of G into H of X. F composition of G, H of X value is X square. Now substitute in F composition of G. So that is 3x. X place we have to replace X square. So the answer is for LHS 3x square. Let us see the RHS. In RHS we have a bracket value G composition of H. So G into H of X. Now G into H of X value is X square. Now substitute in G. In G value is G of X is 3x plus 1. So X value we have to replace 3x square plus 1. That is G composition of H. Take a full question for RHS. F composition of G composition of H is equal to F into G, that is G composition of H. The value is 3x square plus 1. So substitute in F. The F value is x minus 1. X value is 3x square plus 1. Here we have minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 3x square. See the LHS and RHS both are equal. So LHS is equal to the RHS value. F composition of G composition of H is equal to the F composition of G composition of H. So hence we verify. Let us see the ninth one. Let F is equal to minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 9 be a linear function from Z into Z. Find F of X. Solution for the sum. So F value is given in set order pair. That is, the first value is represent the domain value and the second number represent the range of the function. So we have to take a linear function as the linear function f of x equal to ax plus b. So we have to take a linear function f of x equal to ax plus b. Now substitute in x value in the question. So f of x value is minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to a into x value minus 1 plus b. F of minus 1 means the range is 3. So 3 is equal to 1 into minus a plus b. It is equation number 1. Let us take the second point. 0 as x value means f of 0 is equal to a into 0 plus b. F of 0 means the range is minus 1. A into 0, 0. We have to take b value as minus 1. So substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. 3 equal minus a plus b. 3 equal to minus a plus b value is minus 1. So minus 1 goes to LHS. 3 plus 1 is equal to minus a. We have 4 is the value of minus 4 is the value of a. Again, you want to substitute in the function. That is f of x equal to ax plus b. F of x equal to a value minus 4, b value is minus 1. We have to take minus as common. So balance 4x plus 1. This is the function of f of x. Let us see the 10th one. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit CT is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by CAT1 plus BT2 is equal to ACT1 plus BCT2, where A, B are constants. Show that the circuit CT equal to 3T is a linear. So they are given two circuits, that is T1, T2. We have to take a first circuit is A, second circuit that is constant B, that is B. So given value is CT equal 3T is a linear function. So first circuit we have to take CAT1 is equal to, the answer will be 3AT1. This is equation number 1. Next we have to take a second circuit, BT2, CBT2. So 3BT2 is the second circuit. Add 1 and 2. So we have to add LHS. CAT1 plus CBT2 is equal to RHS value 3AT1 plus 3BT2. Now take C as common. AT1 plus BT2 is equal to 3AT1 is equal to CAT1. Similarly, 3BT2 is equal to CBT2. Now take ACT1 plus BCT2 and LHS AT1 CAT1 plus BT2. So hence verify. So the superposition principle is satisfied.